Hello YouTube, I just wanted to make a short video. It's This trailer is a 2016. It's of course a Cyclone, and the biggest issue with any trailer that's not full body paint is keeping it clean and stuff. The Any type of weather now, you can see that my trailer is housed. It's in a covered area, but at the same time, you get any type of gel coat is gonna make these really bad looking dry spots. The whole trailer get dry, and this side here faces the sun, so try to see if I can show it to you here. Now this job isn't done, but I saw a lot of YouTube videos, people using big grinders and buffers and stuff like that, and I just wanted to show you maybe a easier way for the person that's gonna do it themselves. And this is a 44-foot travel trailer. I am going to probably do this whole thing, and I did it once before with a grinder, or what is it called, the high-speed buffer, just a rotary. It took forever. My arm was sore and stuff, and it took me about 4 or 5 days. Now this is like not all the way done. You can see right above the cyclone part on the right side where it's still dry, and I just wanted a comparison. I've been out here probably about 30 minutes, and I've done this whole, not even 30 minutes, and done this whole bottom section and stuff. And this, I'm going to show you the product and what I'm using. And so first of all, I'm using a dual action buffer. This runs about, this is a torque, and I bought it from a store here locally. You can buy it online, of course. And this is the lower model, and it runs about 160 bucks. And of course, you got these pads, which I love because you can just take those completely off. And I'm just doing this from my phone, so I can't really show it to you. Well, I guess I could. These pads come just like right off here. It's just Velcro, hook and loop, just like that, and they stick on. This is a gray pad, and the gray pad, you use it for the buffing. Now, I know that some people want to use and go straight to a straight compound, but you can see the results here. I have not put a wax on here yet. This is just straight the Meguires, and I'm going to show you that too as well, because I had to really look at it myself. And this is the Meguires one-step compound. And I've done my boat before, and I used a different product that was a compound, and I had a polish, and I had a wax. And a lot of people say, okay, well, look, you need to do your compound, then do a polish, and do the wax. That's 3 times I'd have to go over this trailer, and that's 3 times too many. So I'm using this right now on the dual action buffer here. So you can see how shiny this is right here. You can almost see myself in here. Now I got a section that I haven't wiped yet. Now I've just done this with the buffer, with the dual action here, and it has the little residue left over. And the only thing you do is come up here and you wipe that off. See how clean that is? I got to get around them door handles, but see how shiny that is now? And I haven't even went with I'll step back so you can see. Now that was that section that you saw that was a little hazy at first. You can even see my back fence in the fiberglass now. And now if I look right above that, you see how dry that is? You can see how dry this trailer was. And the only reason this side is so dry because it's facing the sun in the evening, so, and I don't have a cover on that part, so this side dries up really quickly within about, I guess, about 5 months or so. Now I'm going to cover it after this because I don't want to be doing this every 6 months, but Yeah, and I started up there. I haven't finished up there yet, but everything kind of like below that symbol, all that's been done, and it's only been done with just the Meguires one step. Now, after this, I am going to put a second coat of probably some regular wax that has a UV protectant in it, Meguiar's Carnauba or anything like that, just to make this last even longer. And then to upkeep, I'll just use the wax instead of the compound all the time. But that means I have to get out there, and it doesn't take that long to do this. It's very quick and stuff to do it. So like I said, I've been out here maybe 20 minutes and done the whole bottom side right now. And I'm too lazy to get up there today, so so I'll do that later. But I'll put some more videos up because I know a lot of guys, in order to do this, is like I say, this is a 44-foot toy hauler. If the quotes that I got from guys that want to come detail it, oh, it's astronomical. It would be anywhere from 700 to 1,000 to come out here, wash and compound and wax. And this is something you can do yourself. It may take you a few days if possible, you know what I'm saying. If you got the time, I would say spend the 160. And this DA polisher can be used on boats. It can be used on cars. It can be used pretty much on anything. It just depends on the pad that you're using. And the pads are inexpensive. They're about I guess anywhere from $5 to $10 depending on what type of pad it is. And this is just I think this is a 5 or 6 inch pad here and stuff. And I bought some extra pads. But the good thing about it that the pads, they don't wear out as much as the wool pads do. So the wool pads, I've had those before and I use those, and for me to do this much on a wool pad would probably take me about 40 minutes because you're only using one edge of the wool pad and you got to worry about burning it and all this. This you will not burn. It is a sponge pad and it takes very little product. And so if I was to do this side right here, just the back part of this trailer with a wool pad and a high-speed buffer, I would probably go through, I say at least a quarter of the materials. When I tried to do my boat with that wool pad, it took, I think just in product alone, I know I spent $140 because each bottle is about $30 or $40 itself. And that's doing the inside and outside of the boat. I can probably do that boat 2 or 3 times over with that one bottle. And this one bottle will probably take this whole trailer. And that bottle right there was $30 for the big bottle. And then you can use whatever kind of wax you can get, UV protectant wax for like $10 or $7 or whatever, and just change the pad and use the wax pad. But I'll make a more detailed video and stuff later, especially when the sun's out a little bit better. And you can see, and I'll get somebody to be able to record this while I do it so you can see it. But guys, I'm telling you, this right here works. You won't have to be spending $500 and $600, a year if you take 2 or 3 days and come out here, get your 6-pack or whatever, and just knock it out and stuff. It's very, 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 very easy. All right, well, like I say, I'll get back to you and send you some more videos. All right, take care.